Hi there. It's a long time ago I started my project on my Anfim grinder, and a while back I made a video of my modification with a load cell on it. Well, the result was unfinished, and now I want to show the finished version of it. Mostly the software has been reworked. So basically, it's a load cell down here, mounted on a holder for the portafilter. Up here, got a touchscreen. Let me just walk you through the function of it. Well, the start screen shows the weight up here. Got some small arrows when it's a stable weight on the load cell. The one underneath is the wanted amount in my portafilter. I will get back to this. In the menu, I have a button I could push to grind manually. I have a screen with the total grind amount for my grinder, and I got a count that I can reset pushing this one. Then I got 4 settings for portafilters. This is my EMS single. It's this one. So I just put in the portafilter and I can make a teach function. Then it has saved the weight on this particular portafilter. And underneath there's the amount of coffee I want in it. So I could change the amount of coffee I want in this filter, the 9 grams, and I could save that. So now it knows that when I load a portafilter of 521 grams, I want 9 grams of coffee in it. I got an EMS double, got a bottomless, and that is not put in teached yet. And I got a custom portafilter. Then I have the magic behind it all, the milliseconds per gram. That's the figure that calculates how long it has to grind before I've got the amount I want. And then a load cell calibration. So I could change and get a precise reading from my load cell. Well, let's try the double EMS double filter. So I will take my portafilter. Just have to get go. My double portafilter, I will put it in and it will say this is the EMS double. I got 17.9 grams, wanted 18. The software is made so that it will self-adjust this number so it matches the output of the coffee grinder. I could also show you what happens if this setting is not correct. Let's say that it is too low. So let's try to load the portafilter once again and see what happens. because it got too little in the portafilter, it adjusted it and grinded the amount I wanted so that I got the 18 grams I wanted, and it wants me to update the setting. So I'll just accept the new setting. The old one was 300, the update is 337. That's basically the function of my Anfim coffee grinder.